I know who I am. I love who I am. I like what I do, and I like how I do it, and I like my mistakes, and I like the way I learn, and I like the pace with which I learn my mistakes. I don't want to be anybody else.
Hello, yeah, all. It's Kayla, and how you're doing? I just thought I'd make a little vlog about my day and my son who went shopping. Yeah. So come with me, let's go. Firstly, we got down here, we're at the elevator going to Zara. I want to go get them some stuff. They have a party to attend on Saturday with the sister, and here we're at Zara. There's this shoe I saw online I really loved. I was praying to find them, and yeah, I did find them, and they were lovely. And I got those shoes. Then I saw a belt I really loved. I got that belt too. The belt was so beautiful. My son was here. He was so excited to be out. He was just calling mommy, mommy, mommy. Then I head over to the counter to pay for my kids' clothes and for what I got for myself and for them. Yeah. Then after that, I headed over to Chanel to stock my perfumes and makeup. Yeah, I got that at Chanel. And after that, I got back home to a package from my friend. She actually got me a late birthday gift, and I really appreciate this. Thank you so much. Yeah, she got me shoes and a purse, perfumes. They were so lovely. I was screaming. Like, I literally was so excited about this shoe. It was silver and so trendy. I really loved it. It's like a shoe I saw on Instagram. I think it was Prada. I really love Prada shoes so well. So I think she noticed and got me something similar. And this purse, I've been seeing it everywhere and I've been wanting it. I'm actually still going to get the gold. She got me the silver, which I really like. It was beautiful, and that perfume smells so divine. Guys, don't sleep on Zara perfumes. Like, they smell so good, I promise. Then my delivery came. I ordered a pant from Zara. This pant is so gorgeous. It has a slit detail by the leg and it fits so perfectly. I got this and a face sponge, a makeup sponge. I don't even know what that thing is called. Anyway, I got it like a puffer. You see it there on the video. And the color of this pant, I can't wait to rock this pant. Like, I have so many things in my closet I've not really worn. I added weight, so I've been waiting to get back to myself before I start dressing again like I used to. I really miss myself, but that's okay. I'm getting there. I've started going to the gym, and yeah. And this is the puffer I was talking about. It was so soft. I'm definitely going to get more of that. Then after then, we went to spa with my husband, and yeah, this spa was really needed, and this place was so beautiful. The service was top notch. It was giving Dubai, my goodness. It was giving Greece whole vibe. The aesthetic was so stunning. I really liked this place, and it's so beautiful. I'm definitely going back to get more of their treatment. On this day, I think I was in a hurry. I was so tired. I didn't really do a lot, and we left. And yeah, but it was a relaxed day. I really enjoyed this day, and hope you all enjoyed this video. I just thought I'd drop something, and thank you all for watching. Bye.